Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. And first you open red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, and black color. White color. So kids, now you draw alphabets A to Z. And first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use yellow color. Yellow color. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N and use blue color. Blue color. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use green color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wallet. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and use black color. And first you draw 1. O-N-E-1. T-W-O-2. T-H-R-E-E-3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.